Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see how you can hide apps on your mobile home screen. This is on the Samsung mobile, and this is Realme mobile, and this is Motorola H50 mobile. I'm going to show you in each of these mobiles that how you can hide apps on your home screen. This is because just I want to clear all the Android mobiles. So first of all, let us click on the Samsung phone settings, and here you will find the home screen option. Just find home screen. See here, this is the home screen. Tap on this home screen. Here you will find an option called hide apps on home screen and app screens. Tap on this. By default, no app will be hidden. See here, all that you need to do is just select the app. That's it. Once you select the app, that app will be disappeared from the home screen and the app screen also. So no one can be able to find this app now. Okay, so just for the testing purpose, on the search I am searching as the Amazon app, and this app I just made it as hidden app. See here, there is no Amazon app. So how you can access them when you want? Just open the Play Store app and search for the Instagram, say for example, and you will get that app. Okay, if at all, if you want to remove, the same procedure, home screen, and then click on hide apps on home screen and app screen, and just you can tap on that. Just one tap, it will be unhidden. Okay, let us move to Realme now, the second mobile. And Oppo and Vivo will be very similar with this Realme options. Okay, somewhat similar. This is the Realme. So just click on Android phone settings. Yeah, not this one. Click on Android phone settings here. Yeah, and here you will be able to find security and privacy. Tap on this. Just scroll to the bottom. Under security and privacy, scroll to the bottom, you will find an option called hide apps. Okay, and it will ask you to choose a password. You just need to choose the password. Just choose the password and enable the apps which you want to hide. Okay, now I'll test. Chrome is what I made it to hide in the app list. Now it is not showing. So how you can access them? You can click on hide apps. Okay, just enter the password what you have given. At top right you will find an option called settings. Tap on that settings, and under access method, access via dial pad. So give some access code so that no one will know. So I am just giving as hash 4 zeros and hash. So you can open the dialer. Click on done at the top. Okay, you can open the dialer and just enter this code whenever you want to access those hidden apps. This is very good option in the Realme, and I personally like this option for accessing, actually both for hidden and to access them. This is one of the best. See here, now you can tap and just use them. Okay, coming to the Motorola mobile has, this is still on the Realme. Let me take this is the Motorola. Yeah, Motorola has Moto Secure default option, but even though I'm just going to a third-party app from the Play Store which is called Secret Space, I like this app because there are no advertisement in this. You can just search as Secret Space, on the Play Store. Just tap on this and see here, this has been already installed. You can just install this and click on open. It will ask you to give some secret code. So I entered. You can click on this plus symbol and add the apps. Very simple. And how you can access them? Just tap on this app here. Just tap on this app. Okay, just for the testing, I'll be testing that Amazon app. See here, Amazon Pay is there, but Amazon is hidden. So you can just access them by tapping on that app Secret Space and enter the code, and here you can just unhide them by long press and click on unhide. But to access them, you can open Play Store and you can just open that. Yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.